Well, hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to reconnect your internet if you got disconnect from your Samsung smart TV. So all you need to do is go to your remote and click on home section, and then it will interface like this. Now we need to go to all the way to the left until we see the setting logo like that. Click on the setting logo, and then it will interface like this. We need to go down to the general and then internet, and now from here what you have to do is go to the reset internet and click on yes. Once you have done that, so it will basically gonna reset your internet. And what I recommend that as well, we need to switch off the TV before we start to reconnect. But what I recommend you guys as well, that you guys need to plug the whole TV and try to reset again. Now let's open the TV. What it does, like when you completely shut down the TV, it will basically gonna let you force TV to restart fully. Now we need to do the same procedure. Click on the home button here, home button, and then go to the setting, just like we did earlier. Now it will interface same as it is. Now go to the general, and then what we have to do, go to the internet again, and then now we can check the internet status. So let's see. So I'm connecting the same internet and click on retry. So it have already worked. It said your TV has been connected to your internet successfully. But what you can do as well, that you can go to the internet setting and then try to do it fully. And if you still doesn't get the problem solved, what you can do is you can go to the wire and then just connect your TV to wire. You need to have a connection between your internet physically to your TV. That is the best part when it comes to, if you have problem with this like connecting the internet, go with the wire. But in my case, wireless is working completely fine. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful.